Ladies and gentlemen, this property here is going to be 3 beds, 3.5 baths, over 3,000 square feet, not too far from downtown Glen Ellyn. It's going to have a new roof, bathroom and kitchen renovations, a rebuilt patio, and an expanded primary suite. Let's go check what this house looks like. This home looks like next to a couple of condos. Let's see, let's tour this house together. See what we have going on. Take my shoes off. Oh yeah, I already like the feeling of this. Wow, yeah, very welcoming. Welcoming it in a pristine manner. I can definitely see these kitchen renovations that they were talking about. Oh, yeah. Great lighting, countertops. I really like these cabinets, the appliances. Oh, I like the space. I love when you have this like pentagon dimensions going on in a room. All the natural light coming in too. Not the greatest sun direction for you to see the natural light, but I really like how there's windows in every direction to let all that natural light in. Love the light fixtures. Let's see, let's see where we can find the switch for these lights. Oh, I really like this living room as well. A great space. Wow, look at that. High ceilings for the living room space. That's nice. Not only is there a lot of natural light, there's also just a lot of light in general in this home. I really like this space. You can do a lot with this. Good view to the backyard. Closet space. Laundry room area. Oh, I really appreciate this house. I like it. New washer and dryer. We have here closet space. Your guest bathroom. Oh, yes. Gold on the sink. I really like this. Gold accents just everywhere I am. It really gives that pristine feeling, welcoming, warm, and luxurious, honestly, at the same time. Oh, this is nice as well. I wasn't able to find out how to turn on these light fixtures here. Now there's an upstairs and a downstairs, and I really appreciate that. It makes this house feel a lot bigger too. Let's go check up upstairs. I mean, it's 3,000 square feet. But it sounds like maybe 1,000 square feet each floor. Let's see what we have here. Okay, a nice bedroom. Oh, this has to be the master. Yeah. Nice chandelier. They did a great job with the light fixtures in this property. That's probably the expansion, actually. A nice closet here. So is this 2 closets then? It is. Closet on each side. Honestly though, if you like that closet over there, you could also maybe just take all this out and make this into an office space too. I like the windows right here. Oh, wow. I really enjoy this bathroom. We haven't even turned the lights on. This is all natural light coming in. Come on. Wow. Forgive me, I was trying to turn off the fans. That's funny. A nice shower, really like it. Nice. So there's actually a mirror right here as well. Interesting, I've never seen that before. I really like this countertop. The cabinetry. Little space right there for you. Maybe to put your skincare products. This bath is nice too. Oh wow, look at that. Oh yeah. I really enjoy this bathroom. Okay. Oh wow, the natural light coming into that bathroom still has me amazed. Oh, that's cute. Oh. Nice bedroom, cozy. Whoa, okay. You know, that last one, wow. I say wow because this room actually has a lot of space to it, and I really appreciate that. Like, had I seen this room first, maybe I would have thought like, oh, is this the master, you know? It has some good size to it. 2 closets as well, interesting. Another beautiful bathroom. Again, nice countertops, nice shower. Yeah. I wonder if my wife would like this home. My wife likes a vintage kind of feeling, but the coziness and the warm feeling this home brings and mixes it with a modern, graceful kind of feeling. It's like orientation. The way they do it, it's magnificent. It really is. Let's check how downstairs is looking. And ladies and gentlemen, right before we walk downstairs, we're actually giving away $1,000 for your closing or moving costs when you close on a property with us. Keep in mind, this is for a limited time only, and this is whether you're on the buying end or the listing end. And if you were to do the buying and listing end with us, you qualify up to $2,000. Again, limited time only. And if you're looking again for a cash offer on your property, or maybe you just want to know what your home is worth, maybe some resources like mortgage calculators, informational guides on the area, my website is in the description below, okay? So feel free to check that out. Let's get on with the tour. Now let's head downstairs and see what we have going on. Oof, I like the way it just feels going down this, the way it welcomes me in. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a nice space. You could call this a basement, but it just doesn't feel like one, you know? It really doesn't. But a great space to host. Here's our final bathroom. Interesting lighting. A great space to host for sure. A great space to host. We just keep the kids on. Like, keep the kids on, you know, keep the kids down here while everyone's upstairs. All the adults are upstairs having their get together. Let's look at this patio. It says it was rebuilt. I believe rebuilt in 2018. So. Again, you do have the condos right next to you. This is half a duplex, so we do share some walls. I really enjoy this backyard. What word would you describe this backyard with? How much do you guys think this home is cost? How much do you guys think it costs? Price coming in 3, 2, 1. Today we're in Glen Ellyn. It is a beautiful day outside. The birds are chirping. This house is gonna be 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, a 5th one in the basement, and 3.5 baths. As you can see behind me, a 2-car garage as well. Let's check it out. Really like the feel of the entrance, the way it welcomes you in. Feels pristine. See how the house welcomes us, okay? A little tight in the entrance, but it feels welcoming, and I really appreciate that. Nice carpet floors, no chipping on the walls, but that's no problem to fix. Easy to negotiate. Doesn't seem like there's any lights. Oh, let me see, here's our first light actually. Nice space, maybe a dining room. Yeah, you got your living room over there and then your dining room here. Or kitchen. I like this kitchen. It just feels nice. Let's see if we can get some lights on here. There we go. What do you guys think? Also, how much do you guys think this home costs? Put it down in the comments below. I think we have our basement there. We'll go there in a little bit. Closet space for your jackets and your shoes. Oh, a nice fireplace area. This actually feels really cozy. I like that feeling, especially for a fireplace room. You want it to feel cozy, nice, where you could just snuggle up by the fire, maybe put TV on. Let's see, get some light here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Imagine maybe this is our garage. Let's see. Ooh, a little struggle on this door. Huh. What's there? That's interesting. Guest bathroom. Laundry space. There you go, that's how it should open. Wow, oh, it looks like the side of the house is actually a sidewalk that trails. I think there's a park actually in the back. So it trails to the park, that's nice. Again, this is my first time seeing the inside of the house too. I like to see the home for the first time as I tour it with you guys. Let's see how the backyard looks. Let's see what we're getting into. Oh my goodness, I like this backyard. No, I don't like this backyard. I love this backyard. Come on. So spacious, well maintained. I don't know if you saw the moment I walked out, there was birds. That's my kind of thing. Barbecues. Now, there's no fences, I believe, on the right side. So I think that's actually, yep, that's their backyard. So keep that in mind. But still, this is a really enjoyable backyard. Nice patio. You can do a lot here, a lot with this. Let's see what the upstairs looks like. Now, no loft space. The second floor is definitely designated for just your bedrooms and baths. Nothing more, nothing less. course, we do have a closet space up here. It's nice. Another bedroom. No light in here. Two closets, okay. Convenient. This just feels like the master bed. I could be wrong. No, it definitely is. We have the walk-in closet. Not a his and hers setup. There is a lot of space in this walk-in closet. And you could actually, you in a sense, you could say it's his and hers, right? We have his and we have hers. Oh, I like this master bath. Oh, with a nice view to the backyard. Nice, spacious shower. Yeah, that's nice. Let's see if we get some lighting here. You know what's actually really nice about this property? A lot of natural light. Like, I feel like I didn't even have to turn on most of these lights. Truthfully. It has a lot of natural light inside of that, which is never a bad thing. Actually, it's very welcomed. Maybe that's what gives this house such a welcoming feeling, actually, all the natural light that's coming in. Seeing the condition of this home makes me wonder if it's actually being sold as is. All right, let's check out the basement. And before we check out the basement, we are giving up to $1,000 away for a limited time only for moving costs or closing costs when you close on a property with us on the buying side or the listing end. And if you were to close on a property on the listing end and the buying end, you qualify for up to $2,000. Again, just for a limited time only. Also, if you are looking for free resources like mortgage calculators, if you are looking for home evaluations, if you want a cash offer, we do it all. The website is right below, links in the description. Now let's get on with let's get on with the tour. All right, into the basement. I will not hide this from you. There is a huge hole in the wall. But there is so much space in this basement that, and when I say space, excuse me, living space. Like this doesn't look like a storage room. This looks like a place where you can host. And there's actually, I believe, a bathroom and a bedroom down here. Yes, your bathroom here. Yeah, there's a lot of living space here. Yeah, come on. Wow. I really like that. Okay. Here's our other bedroom, for sure. Yeah. Not too much natural light down here, but this is very, very appreciated, all this stuff. No. They have a sauna in here. What? Is there any light? I don't see any light in here, though. Okay, so it's a dark sauna, but that's nice. That is really, wow. Come on, a sauna in the basement. And then we have our workshop. Workshop area, we keep your tools. Tools, paint, anything of that nature. Oh, I'm really impressed by that sauna.